Hello friends, fans and family. I have some very important announcement to bring to you because we no longer can keep this a secret anymore. A pregnancy cannot be kept hidden for so long. So for some time now, Chioma and I have had something going.
Hey my country people, how una dey? Is your girl Cindy? Una know say for here na only ogbonge news we dey carry come, undiluted as e dey hot. As una dey cook am, na so I dey carry am come give una. So on today's episode na Chidi, Mokeme and Chioma Chukwuka Akpota matter we carry. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining us, you're welcome. My name is Cindy TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I post videos like this, you'll be notified. Thank you. So Chidi Mokeme don come out openly to the public, come talk say e get one secret where him and Chioma been dey hide from public, or say they can no longer hide it. Say the secret be say him and Chioma been dey together in a while now, so they no longer want keep am a secret. They want the world to know say Chioma na him own queen. What a good news. I think say na this Kenumenwa's wedding dey cause all this thing for Nollywood though. What a blessing to Nollywood. Almost all of them don dey come out talk say 2024 will not pass them by in terms of marriage.
No just good at
be
all.
It's good to be good, cause once you are a good person, believe me, you will influence a lot of people. I'm so happy for Chioma Chukwuka Akpota because she deserves the best. Yes, Chidi Mokeme will treat her like a queen she is. I'm so happy for them. 2024 go loud in terms of marriages, so cause almost all the Nollywood people will get married. Hey, what a blessing. Too much talk, no too good though. Make I play the video and allow you guys to tap from this greatness. It'll be small thing. I'm so happy for them. When I been see the video, I was so excited. I said no. As an aproko girl where I be, I said no, I need to gist my people. Let's watch the video.
Hello friends, fans and family. I have some very important announcement to bring to you because we no longer can keep this a secret anymore. A pregnancy cannot be kept hidden for so long. So for some time now, Chioma and I have had something going, and we've kept it away from you guys for some time until we felt it was the right time to bring it to you. We have found favor in each other's eyes, and as such, we think that we have a lot in common and have decided to share our time together. And now we'll bring you this good news. This good news of a union that has been made from heaven. This good news of a calling by God. After all, can two walk together except they agree?